Hey, it's Scott Young here. If you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research about affiliate marketing on TikTok. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you the exact 10 steps you'll need to take to succeed in affiliate marketing on TikTok. Now, TikTok is kind of the new kid on the block in social media, but it is absolutely attracting people in droves. And anywhere people are online, affiliate marketing can be used to build an audience and generate income. You'll often hear people say, well, TikTok is mostly used by really young people that don't have much money. But the stats show that TikTok users are actually evenly split across all ages from 20 to 50. So there's really a huge opportunity there for affiliate marketers in many niches. Now, in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build a following and generate leads as an affiliate marketer. But I'm assuming that you already know the basics about affiliate marketing. For example, you picked out a niche, you picked a high quality affiliate product to promote, and you have a sales funnel set up to convert the leads you get from TikTok into sales. If not, I'll link to another video I've done where I explain the basics. Now, before we jump into it, I want to let you know about my number one recommendation for making money online right now, and it actually works amazingly well on TikTok. So I'll drop a link below this video in the description if you want to check it out. Now, I'm going to cover 10 steps here that will virtually guarantee your success on TikTok as an affiliate marketer. And then I'll say a few words about the TikTok algorithm. So let's jump into it. Number one, you want to make sure that you don't use a business account because business accounts on TikTok are commercial and you won't be able to use trending sounds. Now, trending sounds are a big key for going viral, and going viral is a big key to success on TikTok for affiliate marketers. Now, it's tempting to switch to a business account because with that, you can immediately put your link in your bio right away. And pointing users to your bio link is the primary way to send people to your sales funnel. But you'll actually find much more success with using trending sounds and trending videos to quickly build up to 1,000 followers, at which point TikTok will unlock the ability to put a link in your bio. Number two, as I mentioned a minute ago, using trending sounds is really important. You want to use trending sounds in each of your videos because this increases the likelihood of your video going viral, and the TikTok algorithm loves trending sounds. Number three, post 3 to 4 videos every day consistently. Honestly, no one really knows the secret algorithm that TikTok uses and how much you really need to post, but many successful affiliate marketers have found the sweet spot at around 3 to 4 videos per day. And of all the steps here, this one is the most critical. Consistent posting feeds the TikTok algorithm and it will reward you. Number four is entertain and provide value, but don't directly sell. People come to TikTok to be entertained first and foremost. And if you entertain and provide value, the sales will follow that. Number five is focus on a niche and stick to it. Let's say you're affiliate marketing in the make money online niche. You don't want to cross over into like the health and fitness niche and make videos about that as well, because success on TikTok really comes from sticking to one niche. Now, the exception is if you set up a separate TikTok account, you can use that separate account to focus on another niche. Number six is find trending videos and either copy what they're doing, model what they're doing, or tweak what they're doing. So let's say you found a viral video where the person is, let's say, sharing a really awesome tool or website. You can make a video exactly like they're doing and share that exact tool or website. Number seven, don't be afraid to be yourself. TikTok is all about raw authenticity. Number eight, use a call to action. Now, this seems obvious that you'd use a call to action, but a lot of people don't. But the primary gateway for leads to get into your sales funnel is through the link in your TikTok bio. So you want to figure out clever ways to ask your viewers to click on the link in your bio. Other ways people are using are to ask people to DM them on Instagram or other platforms. But however you do it, use a call to action. It is essential to getting more leads. Number nine, direct users to other social media accounts so that you can leverage your success on TikTok onto other platforms. Number 10, don't give up. Normally, it takes 3 to 6 months of feeding that TikTok algorithm before you get the momentum to really drive a lot of views and follows and likes. So, as an affiliate marketer, if you put these 10 steps into action, you will get a flood of traffic into your sales funnel from TikTok. All right, now real quick, let's go over the TikTok algorithm so you have a bit of an understanding how that works. When a video is uploaded on TikTok, they'll randomly show it to about 300 to 500 users in between popular videos. And this way, the algorithm can kind of evaluate if the video is getting attention. Then the algorithm measures how much of the video is actually being watched and how many likes and comments and shares it gets. And then after watching the video, it'll measure how many people are following the creator and if that audio from the video is being used to create a new video. And that's pretty much how it works, but I don't want you to get too caught up with the algorithm, and don't get too stressed if your videos aren't getting above 500 views for a while. The key here is consistently posting videos every day. And as the algorithm picks up on the fact that you're a real, consistent, proven content producer, it will reward you by putting your videos in front of more and more users. But it can take maybe 3 months before this really starts to snowball, and about 6 months before you really hit a good stride of growth. So I hope this makes sense. I hope this is clicking with you. You know, TikTok is new and it could seem overwhelming to a lot of people, but if you follow these 10 steps, you're building a solid affiliate marketing business on TikTok. Now, if you want to get the exact blueprint for succeeding in affiliate marketing on TikTok, the training and the mentorship from a team that has actually helped thousands of people to generate a 6-figure income with affiliate marketing, many of those on TikTok, then I want you to check out the link in the description below this video. Check it out, see what you think. No pressure. It's totally up to you. Take care.